Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Hello Etians! Welcome back to my channel. Makikita sa video na to na sobrang bait at sobrang down to earth at humble itong si Philip habang kausap sa stage ng ASAP sina Martin Nievera at Ruby Domingo. Talagang sa kabila ng kasikatan ng achievement ni Philip ay nanatili siyang humble. Narito.
Everyone sold out. The SB19 people are the most sold out performers in this country.
Lahat na papaflex na lang parang ganito.
Yes! Hindi fake abs, ha? Fake abs. Thank you so much for being here, for your music, and for continually making your fans extremely happy, yes?
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing.
Patawa lang, pa-smile-smile, may respeto sa mas nauna sa kanya sa industriya. May respeto, may respect sa mga batikan like Martin Nievera. At syempre si Ruby Domingo ay batikang host na ng ABS-CBN at ng Pilipinas.